how to make a first-person characters in Unreal Engine 5. And I play this level. And yeah, you can see our characters is use the first-person views to running. Yeah, let's get started. And first we enter the third-person level. And you can see the third-person's default setting is like this. So I will enter the blueprints and select this one. And now I will select this viewpoint and select camera's bomb. I will delete it. And now I will drag these cameras under the mesh. And the next thing, I will select this appearance and I will type head. And next, I will drag these cameras to a right position. And I can rotation it to find the right angle. And also you can change these values in here. 0, 90. And yeah, and the next things I will check this one. And here I will select this one and type young. I will check it. Complying. And I play it again. And yeah, you can see our character is use the first person's view. And here have some issues. So I will fix it. And I will enter it again. And here I just select this camera. And just move this position just a little bit. And I play it again. And yeah, you can see our characters running, and here our issue is fixed. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.